If you're seeing Facebook error code 44, don't worry, because in most cases, this is just a temporary issue, and it can usually be fixed in a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to get Facebook working again, whether you're using the app on your phone or Facebook in a web browser on your computer. Make sure to stick with me until the end, because one of these steps often solves the problem right away. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing to try is the simplest solution. Close the Facebook app completely and then reopen it. If you're on a browser, refresh the page and try loading Facebook again. Sometimes error code 44 appears because the app or page just needs a fresh restart, and this alone can clear the issue. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook to fail to load properly and trigger error messages like this one. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and try opening another website or app to confirm that your internet is working. If your connection seems slow, turn Wi-Fi off and on again, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router if needed. If Facebook still isn't working, log out of your account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and fix temporary account loading problems. Sometimes Facebook gets stuck in an old session, and signing out completely forces the app or browser to reconnect properly. After logging back in, check whether the error code is gone. Another very effective fix is clearing the cache. If you're using the Facebook app on mobile, go into your phone settings, find the Facebook app, and clear the app cache. On a computer, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen Facebook and sign in again. Cached files can become outdated or corrupted, and when that happens, Facebook may display errors instead of loading normally. Clearing them gives you a clean start. If none of those steps work, try restarting your device. A full restart can clear temporary background issues that may be affecting Facebook. This is especially helpful if the app has been running for a long time or your phone or computer has been under heavy use. You can also check whether the problem is happening only on your device or across Facebook in general. If Facebook is having a temporary outage, the issue may not be on your end at all. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix Facebook error code 44, first reopen the app or refresh the page, then check your internet connection, log out and log back in, and finally clear your cache on mobile or browser. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the problem fast. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.